I have lots of memories of having tea rusks, and I thought of rewinding that again, and I'm going to show you how to do easy and simple way of doing tea rusks. For this recipe I'm using 85 grams or 6 tablespoons butter. This recipe calls for 1.5 cups of sugar, but I am using only 3/4 cup of sugar, about 100 grams, 2 eggs, 3 teaspoons of vanilla, and 2 cups or 300 grams plain flour, 1.5 teaspoons baking powder with 3/4 teaspoon of salt or 3 grams salt. So let's start doing it. Now break the eggs into a bowl. Into that add the sugar, then the salt and the butter. When you mix this, it becomes a bit curdle. It's okay, but you need to mix it about 2-3 minutes until it is smooth and pale. After, add the flour into it and reduce the speed. Add 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, and into that add 3 teaspoons of vanilla and mix on low speed about 2 minutes. Now it's ready, and take it out. The dough will be a bit sticky. So put the dough directly onto where you are going to bake. I'm going to use this silicone baking mat. So this is very sticky, so flour your hands and a bit of flour onto it. So press and break this into 2 parts. 1 and 2. Don't add too much flour. Make a nice log. Like this. And flatten and bring it to a log shape. Let's do the next one. So leave a bit of space in between. Make sure to do it nicely, and this goes to the preheated oven, 200 Celsius for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, take the loaves out and it will look like this. It's not very hard, it's soft. So take a paper towel with a bit of water and wet the top of the loaf like this. Leave it to cool down about 5 minutes before we cut it. When you wet the loaves, make sure that you wet sides too, so that way it becomes a bit softer for us to cut the rusks. Now let's slice them about 1 centimeter to 2 centimeter thickness, the way you like. So if you use a serrated knife, it's the best option. If not, you can use a normal knife too. Sometimes you might find the middle is not cooked well. It doesn't matter, we are going to double bake it anyway. After cutting it, just slightly turn it over, and we are going to bake this on the same temperature another 10 minutes. So this goes back to the oven 10 minutes. After that, let's do the next step. So I bake it twice now. Now I am going to take them and put them on the baking tray and bake this on 160 Celsius about 20 minutes until golden brown. So the rusks are ready. Cool them on a wire rack completely, and after that store in an airtight container. It can stay up to 1 month if you bake it properly until golden brown like this. Hope you will enjoy. See you next time.